Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the basics so builds become repeatable. Set aim sensitivity high, but drop build sensitivity low. This gives control when placing rapid pieces. Once done, switch to Builder Pro or a custom mapping that places ramps, walls, and floors with single buttons. This reduces input lag. Make sure to warm up in Creative for 1 to 2 minutes doing simple edits and 90 drills. Doing so trains muscle memory and primes the dual sense for precise, fast mesh builds on PS5. You now string actions into a flow. Place a ramp, then a floor, then a wall in a steady rhythm to form a mesh. The how matters. Slightly stagger each placement by half a tile to avoid bad collision and to keep hit registration clean. Once you can place 3 to 4 pieces fluidly, add quick edits between placements to lock geometry together. Make sure to use crouch when aligning edges. It reduces piece snapping. This method increases build density and gives your mesh structural continuity. You finish by reinforcing the mesh. Double-layer key sections or cap with cones to prevent enemy exploitation. Then optimize performance. Lower shadows or post-process to keep stable FPS on PS5 so your inputs register consistently. Once done, test in a live skirmish to confirm timing. If pieces misplace or ghost, troubleshoot by resetting your input bindings, redoing the 1 to 2 minute warm-up, and checking for controller firmware updates. Doing these final checks ensures reliable high-mesh builds every match.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.